All right, good morning. Good morning, traders, YouTubers. Um, my name is Michael from Aegis. All right, so I have this. I'm gonna start a ritual today. Every day, I'm gonna read the trading rules just to emphasize um, what I have. So do not trade in the first. I'm gonna change this to 1 minute because yeah, do not trade in the first 1 minute and wait until the pattern is completed. Pay attention to the risk reward ratio. Do not trade stop with long wick. Draw support resistance line as a stop target for every trade. Yep. Maximum risk for trade is 20 bucks. Be careful with the reverse double engulfing pattern. The ideal pattern is the stock closes above support level, the offer going long, the stock closes above support level. All major moving averages are below, favorable risk to reward is at least 1 to 3, and going short is just the reverse. The stock closes below resistance line. All major moving averages are above, and a favorable risk to reward ratio. Alright, so I have NIO, plan, SRNE, CCL, AAL, RKT, AMD, and DKS. Okay, I think DKS, no, RKT, NIO, I think is at all-time high, I believe. Yeah, NIO is at all-time high. It's crazy. This is the Chinese version of Tesla. Right, so NIO 19 million, my god. Plan, this is some kind of content company, I think. Yeah, plans almost close to at all-time high. SRNE, you got CCL, AAL, RKT is just closing out on the first month IPO. AMD is always gonna break another all-time high, I believe. Yeah, that's another all-time. Why? Alright, so AMD is almost hitting all-time high. Crazy. CCL, Jerusalem Company. Okay, so I'm just gonna focus on NIO because stock is just incredibly strong, right? But what happened with this stock is usually the opening they might sell off because it's jumping 7% from previous day close, right? So if I bought it in the pre-market, I naturally am just going to take profit, but we do not know. The thing about the trading is you never know what's going on. What you can do is you can recognize the pattern and start to go with the flow with it, right? You just always follow the crowd, always follow the market. You never trade against the market. All right. So 15 seconds for market open. Okay. All right, market open. CCL. Nio might jump. So I'm trying to go long on NIO. Stop loss is at 18.9. Let's see how it goes. Going long on NIO. Seems like it wants to pop. Yeah. NIO, still long on NIO, just take partial. So another partial. Yo, wow, look at NIO. Oh my god. Our NIO should take more size on NIO, but just to trade on NIO itself nets me almost 1% of my account. This is a very beautiful trade on NIO. I know I make some changes on my do not trade in the first 1 minute. That's just it is. So NIO is all-time high, so there is no limit and how it goes. I usually try to, I don't know. Let's see. Tempted to go back in, but let's just wait. Going for. Alright, so I'm taking another position on NIO. Let's see, wow, there's so many levels. Yeah, I'm not. I know. This is a bad trade, guys. The second trade on NIO is really bad. You know why? Because there is no risk to reward, right? And I just quickly exit. I know I make money, but that's not really a trade that I'm proud of. So I might waiting for another chance. Why am I start speaking in British accent? Alright, So see, this is just dropping, right? And this is really bad trade. I apologize that you guys have to see that, but this, the first one here is beautiful, right? The first one here is a beautiful. The second trade here, not really, you know, something not really proud of it. You know, I'm just kind of chasing it a little bit, just for the sake of making money. But that's not that's not the right way to do. RKT, let me see, RKT is a lot of AMD. So I'm almost at 1.5% of my TKS. So I'm at 1.5% of my account, just by trading NIO, and I'm not sure if I want to continue trading, right? Because if you, my God, NIO 44 million. Well, this is what I'm afraid of. Look at this. If I keep my positioning here, I'm just gonna lose 30 points. I think it's, man, I don't know. I think it's just that people start taking profit. So the reason why I'm going long here is that the stock on the daily chart is very strong, right? Look at this. It's jumping 7%. I think in the pre-market. So naturally I'm going long, and when the stock closes above all of these moving averages, right? So it's just natural that I'm just gonna go long. Maybe I should take more position, but just don't get too greedy on it. So take I'm going long when the stock closes above this VWAP and all of these moving averages. I just quickly write the money train, write the stock going up, right, and just keep getting out of this position. This second part here is not really too proud of, not really proud of it, but yeah. So it might start going back again, and IO, but I'm not just gonna push my luck. I think I'm just gonna call it a day. 1.5% of my account. I'm pretty good, pretty comfortable with it, and yeah, I guess I will. I don't know if this start going back up again, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. This one is a long beak on it. Look at this. What the fuck? Are you crazy? Fuck. This thing is a piece of shit. Seriously. Seriously? Fuck. Plan is crazy. Plan is gonna pop up. Neo. Son of a bitch. Might not be coming back. It might not be coming back. 6. Alright. not going to continue. All right, 2%. Apparently I'm still on. So yeah, all right. So today is 2%. Let me explain what I did. So the first thing that I took is okay, I explained the one on NIO. So on the NIO, what happened is on the first trade, I did went long. I did go long because the stock is just so strong, right? And then it's just closing above all of these moving averages, and boom, just ride it. Second trade, crappy, right? This is not a very good trade. The third trade, though, it seems like I did not do anything wrong. It's just that the stock is just failed to break, right? So I'll just quickly get out on these, and what did I do in this? Yeah, so I take some position in here, and the stock retrace and add a few more, right? And the stock popped up. I take partial, but it just failed to continue go up, and then I'm just gonna I get stopped out. And look at this, it's just dropped like this, right? So that's for the NIO, the fourth trade. The last trade though is similar to this one. So the stock bounced back from the low of the day, right? Bounce back, closes above all of these moving averages, and I enter long position. I think I enter quite heavy, yeah, and then just boom, ride it all on the way up. And then when the stock slightly retrace, I add a few more position, and then quickly get out. Right, that's for the NIO. Plan, what did I do on plan? Plan. No, that's NIO. That's NIO. So for plan, it's similar, right? It's similar, but it's just, yeah. So the stock retraced from this 5 moving average. I enter position. My stop loss is naturally break of this 5 moving average, and then when the stock ride up, I just quickly scale, and then add a few more, and then get out. This is I think the blue line here is the high pre-market high, which is a very strong level, right? Pre-market high, and then I quickly get out. That's for the plan. No, I lost money on CCL. It's pretty crappy too. CCL trade was not that nice. So CCL, I did not do anything wrong again. I just trade all natural, according to the playbook. So the stock closes above all of these moving averages. I enter position, but it just failed to move, right? And then I quickly get out. And I think I lost quite heavy on this because I entered heavy position on CCL. Yeah. See, I entered heavy position on CCL. So yeah, today is 2%, pretty nice actually, and the trade according to the playbook, it's a textbook trade. Okay, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna sign off. Really sign off.